guys, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I thought I would do a demo today and a review and give some tips and tricks that I have picked up in using the new Jeffree Star Magic Concealer and Setting Powder. So if you'd like to see this look that I made today using the Jeffree Star new Magic Concealer and Setting Powder, then just keep watching. And dolls, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me out so much. So just keep watching to see my Jeffree Star Magic Concealer and Setting Powder review and demo and tutorial. Just keep watching, guys. So I've already did my eyes. I used my new Huda new nude palette. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. So let me go ahead and start working on my face now. I did get the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer and Setting Powder. So I have used these already, guys, but I figured I would do a demo for you today, or just like a little get ready with me and show you how it works. Because I do have a kind of, I used my setting powder the other day and I gotta show you guys how it works best for me. So I figured that's what I would do today in case any of you guys get it. So I've already primed my face. I used my Beauty Blender primer. I'm still so obsessed with this, but it is, once you get past a certain point, it's really hard to get the product out. I had to cut the top off and there's tons of product in here and I can't get it out. So otherwise, this is such an amazing product. Let me just get right into my face now, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my beauty sponge with my beauty mist. That'll be out soon. And then I'm just going to go right in with my foundation, and then I'll do the concealer and setting powder. So guys, I'm just using the Makeup Forever HD concealer foundation right now. So I always wanted to try this foundation because whenever I go to Sephora, whenever I see like amazing makeup foundation on the sales associates there, the makeup artists, I'm always like, what are you wearing? And they always say they're wearing this Makeup Forever HD. So this is pretty much my first time using it, so let me know what you guys do. You guys love this? They all seem to love it, like I said, at Sephora. So that's why I was like, girl, you're gonna need to try that. And this is just a beauty sponge from Rimmel. I'm not sure if this is available in the store yet, but isn't it great? It feels exactly like a beauty blender, and I just love that color, the purple. So that's why it's my favorite. So I'm pretty happy with that so far. So now we can move into the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer. So guys, they didn't have my exact shade, but I got this color. It's called C9. This color though is so gorgeous. If Jeffree Star comes out with a foundation, this is gonna be just the most perfect color ever. I do love it as a concealer though too. But it's usually I put a little bit of a brighter concealer, but this is stunning for, I just love the shade of it. It's like the most beautiful foundation, shade ever. For my complexion, I just love it so much. So it is super creamy. I'm probably putting way too much, and then it dries down matte. It's really, really amazing. I'm gonna show you guys. I did a video the other day. It just didn't come out. But I actually put it on my tattoo. I'm gonna put a little clip from what I salvaged from the video. But it completely covered my tattoo, like in one swipe, one application of the concealer, and it was pretty much, it is a small tattoo though, but it completely covered it. Where in the past I've used different products, and it takes me a lot more work to cover it. So this Jeffree Star Magic Concealer definitely did cover my tattoos amazingly. And I've been wearing this every day now since I got it a few days ago, maybe almost a week even. And it does not crease up on me. I could not love it more. I truly love this so much. So now let me quickly go ahead and set. I'm going to set it today, guys, with the setting powder, but I normally don't do this now anymore. Here it is in the package, and it does smell like candy. It's so nice. You really only need the tiniest amount. And what I like to do is put it on a very small brush and pack it into the brush and then tap it right on your skin. I'm not sure, guys, because the other day what happened the first time that I used it with my beauty sponge like I do with other translucent powders. I normally go right in with my beauty sponge and sort of bake it and pack it into my skin. But with this powder I did that, and I did not, it wound up caking up, so it did wind up kind of creasing up on me because I do have indentations under my eyes. I don't have any filler. Now I'm going to press it into my skin with this is a dry beauty sponge. Normally I do use a wet beauty sponge. I just don't want to do what I did the other day, because something that I did the other day, which is my normal beauty routine, but it didn't work with this powder. So that looks a lot better though. I think with this powder, because it is really powerful, you have to work in very small steps and you really have to take your time with it. And aside from all that, I mean, I truly love this powder so much, and I just prefer what I've been doing normally now since I've gotten it, is I set with the translucent powders that I've been using, and then I use this as a finishing powder. That's what I really like this powder for, as like a finishing brightening powder. This is a very unique formula though, guys. It totally does leave you with a doll-like flawless finish. It's really insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, and then I'm gonna do my contour and a little bit more, and then I'll do a lip, but I'll do a lip with you guys, so I'll be right back.
Conversations in my head, they keep on going and going. My lips tie together, I can't explain a goddamn thing. Stay clear of the doorway of my memories and consciousness, 'cause I'm rolling deep in the fields, 'cause I'm rolling deep in the field. Meet me in the bed.
Where I'm at so far, these are my Alegra Chetty Beauty lashes that'll be out in a few months, like a few months. But I'm working on them. I absolutely love them. They're handmade faux mink, so they're cruelty free and they're 3D. They're so amazing. So now I'm going to actually put on some more of that Jeffree Star Magic translucent powder, and this is how I like to use it. I just like to take the teeniest amount on a brush, on some kind of like fluffy brush, and then I just like to just go over my T-zone, because it is super mattifying. That's another great thing about it. It's gonna keep you matte and poreless and brightened all day long. Your makeup is gonna last all day long when you use it in this way, because it is on the drier side, which is good when you want to mattify and keep yourself shine free all day. But when you put it under your eyes, for me, that wasn't, it's dry, it's kind of drying it out. But as a finishing powder, I've never seen anything like it. It is amazing, 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 brightening, poreless, mattifying, giving you this amazing kind of doll, like, you know, I love that look. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more now of this Huda under my eyes. So let me just go ahead now. I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star Calabasas lipstick, and I'm just gonna line with this Lime Crime pencil. And I'm going to go over that with this Skin Tight from Jeffree Star. This is a little too bright. So guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I just had to add Huda Beauty Angelic lip gloss on top to kind of just give it something a little bit more zhush. So let me know what you guys think about the new Jeffree Star Magic products. Do you have the concealer? Do you have the setting powder? Have you tried it? Let me know your guys' thoughts. I would love to know if you have a similar experience, or is it just something that I'm dealing with. But definitely, if you do get the powder and you find that you have a similar issue as mine, just go ahead and use it, you know, like I did not at first, but at the end, like with the brush and as a finishing powder. I think it's amazing. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm so happy to be back here in my beauty room. I can't believe it. Oh my god, it has been such a hot mess, But I got my beauty room back, guys. So I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, love you.